TikTok and shoot some reels. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'm gonna give you all the steps on how to blow up on social media. But first, before I get into all this, we about to hit 1K. So if I just keep posting reels for like 2 weeks, we're gonna blow up. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. How to blow up on social media. Hold on, y'all, because I just ran up a flight of stairs. God, dude. Gosh. First, you want all your TikToks, you want to post everything you post on TikTok, post on your Instagram, YouTube, everything. Post your social media everywhere, bro. Spam your TikToks as your Instagram Reels and as your YouTube Shorts, because that's how you get easy subscribers.
Okay, now you're chasing clout, and that's what we're not going to do.
And the watch hours do go up. You just gotta be consistent every day. I'm almost at 900 on everything. 900 subscribers, 900 followers. This is the secret nobody knows about. Still content, nigga.
No the fuck he didn't. No the fuck. No the fuck he did not.
I go to my saves. Look at that. And I save everything that's like relatable. That's literally the method, y'all. Still content posts. With the reels, you gotta be consistent. We're gonna shoot some reels, actually. So let's see, what TikTok should I do? You just be consistent every day, y'all. Literally post every day. And when you're shooting the TikToks, like the TikToks I be doing, you gotta shoot them in 2 times speed, y'all. And it's gonna go like this. We're gonna edit it. Shout out to this dude, you know, whoever he is. But we're gonna steal your content. You gotta screenshot it. Boom, screenshot. And then you copy it and see what it says. Copy it, right? And you go to TikTok. And you go back on your video. And you paste it. And then boom, see, I said, when I don't feel like arguing no more, so I go straight to rage baiting. And then boom, you go there. And you put it somewhere where they can see it, you know? Put it somewhere where you can see it. I'm literally giving y'all the full game on how to blow up on social media. Coming from somebody that's not even blown up yet on YouTube. So listen. Boom, paste. And these are the tags you want to do. Hashtag 40 page viral. Like, you just copy everything I'm doing. Relatable. And also make a tag for yourself. You want to put funny. You gotta have 5 tags to put meme. Post. It's uploading right now. See, now it's posted. And then what y'all want to do is on Instagram. I'm literally giving y'all the free game. Go on Instagram. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. You know, tag your other account. Boom. And then post it. And then share it to all your friends. Now we got some things from Salt and Pepper, you know, shout out to them, bro. We got pink Dr. Wait, hold on, not pink. Strawberry and cream Dr. Pepper. Y'all see that? Strawberry trolley puff, sour watermelon airhead. I never knew they made this. That's crazy. This is a Rice Krispie. You see the strawberries on here? We can eat that. Alright, so look. You know, got it. It's supposed to be sour watermelon, y'all. That's good, but it's just, yeah, I'm rocking with it, but it's alright, bro. We're gonna rate it a 6. Next, we got the trolleys. I'm not gonna lie, all trolleys taste the same. Nope, not all of them. These taste bomb, yo. What the heck? Yeah, I fuck with these. I'll say like a 9. They remind me of these little things. I don't know what it is, but it's like white strawberry things. A yogurt bite. If y'all know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments, because that's what it tastes like, but it reminds me of that. Now we got the Dr. Pepper. That sounds good. Now it's time for the Rice Krispie, y'all. Yeah, I be looking at my videos and I be too turned. So we can eat this. I'm just trying to make sure that we can. See that? We're gonna eat the strawberry, the actual strawberry on the strawberry Rice Krispie cake.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Look at that, y'all. Perfect slice. This look like a little cake. Oh, I should have got more of the picture. Yo, man, we got a little strawberry. It don't even taste like a Rice Krispie. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Well, out of those 3 things, it goes the Rice Krispie, the Dr. Pepper, the trolley, And then the Sour Patch thing. Sour Patch thing, I wasn't a big fan of it. But hey, if y'all like this video, we on the come up. 1,000 subs. Feel me? I do this content shit just because I like doing it. I don't do it for the fame, bro. I do it because I love the game. But y'all, I'm finna get back at y'all in the next clip.
What's up? Oh shit, you got a motherfucking camera.
I got a tripod in here too, man.
Okay, nigga, I see that.
Y'all, but we're finna go to the studio, feel me?
I was on my bulk up shit in the gym, but now I'm cut. Oh, bro, I just beat this nigga after working all day. This nigga say I can do more push-ups than you. Nigga stopped at 30. I'ma throw it in, she love to shake it. And a tab on what you making. Think my category is strictly payment. When it's time to ball, niggas go away. She wanna throw it and throw it, huh? She wanna throw it and throw it, huh? Molly, she shaking and rolling, huh? Y'all the emotional slowing, huh? She had tequila and taking her soul. I was trying to get my, yeah, like that. I think the first one was good if you could copy that one. Bet I could do the Atlas real quick. Oh, for the verse. Go again. This is a man. I love to play. She said I love to play. Come on. She wanna thought it. She wanna thought it out. Molly just shaking around. You can take out that beginning. Yeah. But you wanna think you know something. She don't know it like she owes something. Yeah. She wanna thought it out. Molly just shaking around. She wanna thought it out. She wanna thought it out. Molly she's shaking around. Y'all emotional sound.